Are you looking for a home in a great community, is close to local attractions, but has its own privacy and tranquil setting? I'm going to give you 5 reasons why this place should be your next home. Number 1, this home has multiple outdoor lounging areas like this deck, and this great screened-in porch, and this perfect sitting area for meditation and nature therapy. Number 2, the craftsmanship in this home, like this beautiful tile fireplace, and this built-in bookshelf. And check out this gorgeous coffered ceiling, and this awesome wet bar. Number 3, the renovated primary bathroom with a double vanity, deep soaking tub, and walk-in tile shower. Number 4, it's perfect for hosting guests. It has its own entry, guest bedroom, kitchenette, and bathroom in the basement. And last but not least, number 5, the land itself. You have over 5.5 acres, private hiking trails, your own seasonal creek and waterfall, and you're close to the neighborhood friendship trail. If this home seems like a good fit for you, give me a call and we'll schedule your showing today.